بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new, says Albert Einstein. Presentations now. So today you will be having 5 minutes each to speak on the topic which you have prepared. You are ready for that? Sure. You can see that I have a device in my hand. As you start speaking, I'll press the key, and as it's 5, it will be stopped. And as it is stopped, means you're supposed to leave the dais. Then the next presenter shall reach and he shall start now speaking on the topic. Points clear? Who will initiate? Mr. Keel, please begin.
Assalamualaikum. Today my topic of presentation is quite different from usual. Today I am going to talk about teenage. As human life is divided into different parts, teenage is one of the important part of human life. This is the stage when a girl or boy needs his parents' care most. But in our society, it's a problem, it's a fact that in this age, boys and girls are left alone. They are not given that care, that needs they require, and then it's leads to a very crucial problems in life. As there is in psychology, there is a school of thought who believes that whatever behavior is developed in teenage remains the same throughout the life until the day of grave, that remain the same. So we have to understand this. Our parents have to do it, work on it. But unluckily in our society, it's a lack of awareness and different other problems. Father have parents have to do lots of work, and then the major factor here is the joint family system. Parents can't give that special attention to separately to a boy or a girl in teenage, because in joint family system, you can't discuss things as you can discuss in a separate environment. So if a boy who is learning from outside how to take bath according to a sharia, so it's very hurting for him or her. He should learn that from his parent, from his father and his mother. His father should sit with him and tell him, my son, you have to do this is according to sharia, this is our faith, this is our Islamic teachings. But this is not occurring. So it is very hurting for teenagers. Or basic reason behind this is, as I said, lack of awareness. And then the one major thing is that the generation gap, their communication gap is there. Parents don't like to discuss things like that. I know why. But they have also passed from that stage. This is that is also fact. When they were in their stage, their parent didn't discuss with them, so they are repeating the same cycle. But that should be not like that. What happened with them is not the fault of their offsprings. They are not responsible for that. But I think it's quite natural. They think that we just learned it from others, so our children should also do so. But say it should be not like that. They should talk to their sons and daughters. Now we have to change and bring a change, because our generation should not suffer from the same situations, because these things leads to a very very crucial problems. If a parent do not talk with their daughter or son, then he lacks the confidence, he has a fear all the time, he remains fearful, even though he or she doesn't do anything with confidence. Even they are on right, they are on right, they don't speak for their right, and don't they are just effortless, and that life is so meaningless. and it's better for them to die. I mean, they're spending like that life like that. So teenage is one of the important stage of the life. I mean, all throughout life depends on this stage. I mean, whether either a person is a good, I mean, his nature is developing good, then it will remain same throughout the life. If a boy or a girl is more uh, attractive to his faith, to his then it will be a very very important for parent as well. I mean, they will get reward from Allah Almighty of this. And if a youngster is not, I mean, doing something wrong in life, then on that side parents will be responsible for that as well. So parents should understand this. I mean, how much important of teenage for youngster as well as for them. The most they pay attention, I mean, they will be rewarded, because I mean, when you do effort, then Allah Almighty is beneficial. I mean, He has promised to His creature that you should do effort, and I would give you reward. So I mean, this is very important. You guys are going to become a parent, so you should keep this thing in mind, that in teenage, just talk to your daughter or sons and tell them how to spend a life, and just to try to understand them, their needs. Instead of the learning of their from others, you should you tell them, you should make them understand the things which are necessary in life, important. It will be, I mean, very 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 fascinating for you as well as for them. I mean, they will feel pleasure that their parents are used to talk to them and give them their time. Basically, it's your duty, it's our duty, it was our parents' duty. Unluckily, they didn't aware about it, but it's their duty and they are responsible for it. But as Allah has blessed us, we know it, so we should change it, not repeat that cycle that has happened with us. I mean, this is not necessary that if one thing is happened to you, then you just say that, oh, it should be repeated. Why it should be repeated? I mean, maybe it was your luck. I mean, it was part of your life, because when maybe there was anything special for you to learn, but just change it, because change is a necessity of life, and without change,
Really
life
nice
is
lesson.
quite.
Nice lesson. Keep standing. Keep standing. What could you understand? What did he say? Please. Okay. What could you understand?
He says that father and mother tell the children our how to.
Okay, Wasim. What could you understand? Now he was
Mr.
talking about teenage. Okay.
Mr. Akil shows his expression and a very necessary and basic age of children, like babies, boys and girls.
Okay.
Because the initial stage is very very important to be a
Okay.
good person or good lady.
Okay.
So parents, parents in our society doesn't focus on this matter.
Okay.
They just whichever being happening, they don't think about it. But it is very but his ideology is very beautiful,
Okay.
and he awares us how to we should change it.
Very good. What could you understand? Now he was talking about teenage.
Mr. Akil, as Mr. Akil is saying that teenage is the learning age of the life, and
Okay.
as the father and mother teaches the student,
Okay.
his children, so when his habits remains the same as
Okay.
he learns in his teenage,
Okay.
so they should pay attention towards his
Good.
activities, so to make him a perfect man,
Right.
because they can be never change or very difficultly change whenever a man
He's a grown up.
is
Grown up. Okay. What could you understand? No idea. I request you the people to please watch this video, and it's very very informative and thought provoking. It's a full of knowledge, full of information. Will you watch? It will be available on YouTube now, and you will watch his talk. And tomorrow, before you present your topic, you will have to comment on his presentation. Assignment is clear? You will have to comment on Mr. Keel's presentation. Thank you, Keel. Please, the next one. Who will be next? The next one, Brother Wasim Ali from 47 MB. Wasim, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's about your profession now? It's going well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are there in the court, I think, in the courts, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many colleagues are there?
We are 3 please.
You are 3 people.
Yes.
You have 2 colleagues.
3
You are 3.
master,
Okay, your trainer is there.
Yes.
Now your senior is there. What's his name?
Mr. Bashir.
Mr. Bashir, Malik Bashir Awan.
Yes, sir.
Thin man, no?
Yes.
From that anti-blood Nova.
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear fellows. Now, my topic which I choose for my presentation is what is beauty and difference between natural and artificial beauty. Beauty is beauty is a very beautiful word. Whenever we think about beauty, our minds and our heart begin thinking about many things. Beauty is a source of pleasure. Whenever we think about the beauty, we go in deep and think about what is beauty. Beauty is not a new thing. It relates to very dates time. For the beginning of the world and humanities, whenever it is very necessary for human beings to be attractive and beautiful. Mostly the women think about beauty is the source of confidence. Mostly women burn their pockets a lot of money spent for to be attractive. men also want to be beautiful, but the mostly women by using their lot of time and pocket money by makeup and so many other ways to be attractive and beautiful. Natural beauty is that which God give to human beings, but every person is not looking beautiful and smart. But I think the natural beauty is inner beauty, which is very necessary for innocent man, innocent people. But this time the people doesn't make beautiful himself by inner. They don't purify their inner self. They mostly time spend on their outlook beauty. That is not good as compared to inner beauty. Outlook beauty is like that jar that is very smelted and not good by inner self, but outlook look is very beautiful. The beautiful example of the by changing his outlook beauty by makeup and plastic surgery. The famous singer and dancer named Michael Jackson, he was very very famous in his time, but he changed himself by outlooking to convert himself by plastic surgery. But when he converted himself from black to white, he fell in skin cancer. That was cause of his death. it means if someone change his self by inner self, his life is beautiful. He can serve other. He can do something new for the humanity. So I mean to say, one should not one should not spend his time on outlook beauty. If he furnish or develop his inner beauty, he can survive long time. He can do many things. He can be confident. He can do everything which he want to do. So I will say that we should not go uh, we should not go on wrong way by copying to other. We should develop because everyone has a separate personality from other. It is no it is not bad that God give a beauty one person and other person not gifted it. But Allah Almighty, but Allah Almighty don't do injustice. Whenever a person is not beautiful by looking, but I observe he is very beautiful by inner self. He has many of other abilities which is different by other person. I think.
And you saw the ideas which you could derive now from Mr. Wasim's presentations. Please, one by one.
Beauty doesn't require show off.
You mean?
Beauty doesn't require show off.
Very good. Beauty doesn't require the show off. Very good. Please, the point which you got from Wasim's presentation is
It
top.
tells us that the women are spend money in income to
Okay.
become the beauty,
Okay,
and it tells us the difference between the natural and artificial beauty.
very good.
The natural beauty is very
Okay.
beautiful compared to the artificial beauty.
Got it. Please.
Mr. Wasim says that don't copy the style of other that can create any problem
Very good.
to you, like as singers.
Okay.
He caused disease and skin cancer
Okay,
to copies your style.
got it. G, beta, what could you understand?
The lesson from Mr. Wasim's presentation was that we should not pay attention to our outer beauty,
Okay.
but we should pay attention to our inner beauty and makes ourselves up.
Very good. Very good. No. Just beta, come on the dais. Please. Just beta. So, you know the gentleman standing at the dais, his name is Sajjad Haidar, Mr. Sajjad Haidar. He's from Kushab and he is going to appear in the test. This is his dream to get admission in GC Lahore. We wish you best of luck and inshallah you will qualify the exam, you will qualify the test if you are devoted to your studies, if you're committed, and it's in your own hand. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Please, beta. Your time starts.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajjad Haidar and my topic of presentation is inventions of science. So, as we know that in the ancient times the people lives a very simple life and they do hard work and they had nothing as we have today. And this all is because of science and the inventions of science. And science has made a lot of inventions, and first of all I will discuss about the computers as is in the front of me. And due to the invention of computer, a lot of work has become easier as into our offices. Days before it was very difficult to keep the record safe, and the shelves were full of the files and this type to keep the record safe. And but nowadays, due to the computer invention, it has become very easy to do this type of work, and it's a work of just a click. And we can also watch movies and other works through it. And another main inventions of science has been made in the travel field, as the in the ancient times the people do their journeys in lot of time, and by lot of struggle also, and because they have to walk or through they ride through the horses, which was also difficult. So nowadays the many inventions have been made in a traveling field, as the buses and aeroplanes also, and trains. And the another invention is of science has been made, which is the mobile phone, as we can talk to every part of the world easily. And in the past times it was very difficult, as the people wrote letters and sent to their beloveds and relatives to know about their health and their issues. And but nowadays we can talk to a person living in every part of world easily into a minute. And in the last times, the news and the other things were very difficult to got, and there was only a little source which was known as radio, and into which was a specific time of it. As we know, our my dad goes to our neighbors, and they hear the news at, I think, 9 o'clock. But nowadays the media has become also so much fast, and we each and every time we know the news of our country and also of the world also. And so many other inventions are also made, as we think each and everything of nowadays is so much difference from a century before, as our writing, we can say pens, ball pens, as the old people write with they know the we columns, and which was also difficult. So how much time?
1 minute. Still you have 56, 55 minutes, seconds to go.
And also science has developed our living living lifestyle also, as our we can see that we made homes and other things which are also very beautiful and developed as compared to the old times, which is also a result of science and its development.
See, you couldn't complete your 5 minutes, no? And Mr. Vakil, now that he took a lot of time, he exceeded his limit, no? See, Mr. Sajadi was talking about inventions, no? The contribution of science, no?
Influence of science on the
Very good, no? So you got some points, no? Some points, no? Is it possible for you to share them one by one, please?
Mr. Sajjad they point out the science invention, and what is the factor which make the life of human being easy and luxurious.
Okay.
He's mean to say the science is not bad thing. It is very helpful, and new invention of science. The life of a human being get very easy because of the science invention. The journeys and burden of works get very easier, to do.
Gotcha. Please.
At large at large scale, the science can change the world.
Very good.
At commercial scale, science can change the lifestyle,
Very good.
and it can change the world into global village.
Very good.
And it can easy the work
Okay.
of men.
Okay.
That can after some time that can do very difficulties.
Okay.
Science can easy the work
Okay.
of man.
Please.
Science is increases knowledge day by day.
Very good.
In the beginning, we use radio for the news, and now science is invention the many technology, and
Okay.
we use many technology for news.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Science has been facilitating people in every field.
Okay.
Either it is living style or anything else. Everything is changed now by science.
Okay.
There is a modern lifestyle here. People in the past they were used to live a different life, and
Very good.
they used to live in forests and awkward type style. Like nowadays we think so that style was awkward, but that was also an aspect of style of life. But now science has completely changed. He didn't mention has science has changed our mindset or not. It is still question there for him.
Okay, this is a question. You,
The question from your side.
yes, sir.
Okay.
What is the damages of invention of science?
So damages now due to inventions. Okay.
The main and the big damage which is the invention of the bomb,
Okay.
which is very harmful for the stability of the human beings, and there are also other damages of each and everything. So as we have laptop, so you can, if you use it into the positive side, so it will help you, and if you use it negatively, then you will have damages of it. So each and
True.
everything has damages.
Got it. Thank you very much, gentlemen. So nice of you. Uttara Valla. Please. Your topic?
Journey.
Journey.
Yes,
Your name?
my name is Danish Sultan. My topic is a royal genre.
Okay. Who is Mr. Hazim to you?
Mr. It's my father.
What is Mr. Hazim to you? I made a mistake. Actually, the question I asked, no, that was wrong. What is Mr. Azim to you?
What is Mr. Azim?
To you.
He is my father.
He's your Abba, he's your Pio, your father, he's your daddy. What do you call him?
He is my father.
You call him father.
Yes.
Sure. No, which name do you know to call with, no? Father, no. You call him Abba, Pio, what do you call him?
Abu.
Abbu, no. So you call him with the name?
Abu.
Abbu.
Yes.
Okay, Abbu. Beautiful name. Please.
My name is Danish Sultan. My topic name is our journey.
What?
Our journey travel by train is
Okay.
called Royal Journey.
Okay.
And after few months, me and my friend decided to go for Mary. It was a daytime, and next day we buy the ticket and entered into the bus. By chance, I got a seat behind the driver. We saw everything very clearly, and bus started running. It was running very high speed, and the darkness of the night faded into the daylight. After some hour, we reached Islamabad, and we took a new bus to go for Mary. And the bus running after few minutes, I observed the cool breeze, and after 15 minutes we reached Mary. We were tired, and we decided to take rest. And next day we went to the market to buy something we met some Pathans. They all are in the shape of fast, and we went to the Mari in the month of Ramadan, and mm, I spent most of the time over there, 8 days, and we
Thank you very much. Keep standing there. Oh, come over.
yes.
किड़े खुलासे दी कहानी सुनाई नहीं सही से
सर जी कसम से मैंने अभी बैठ के उधर लिखा है,
नहीं
कसम से सर।
आइडिया खुलासा है faded into night and so on
सर कसम से मैंने इधर ही बैठ के लिखा, कोई खुलासा नहीं देगा। मैंने टॉपिक भी वसीम सर से पूछा भाई कौन सा टॉपिक, इन्होंने कहा जनरल लिखा, मैंने कहा ठीक।
रोने क्यों पे
नहीं सर रोने
जी 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 you have a question now जी
You said you met a Pathan. I want to ask, what is your experience to meet a Pathan?
in Mumbai you met so many Pathans friend no, and really they're great people no,
Yes.
very good. You won't see a Pathan begging, great people. You won't see a single Pathan begging, not at all.
Sir, but what about when they take money from the people and give the daughters and sisters to them as a
नहीं ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖੋ ਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਲਟੇ ਵਾਰ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ one to one everybody has qualities, everybody has things, everybody has no you can say weaknesses. We're talking about begging. Pathan cannot be beggar, not at all.
Also doing that job, which you have mentioned, that Punjabis are more unfaithful.
Absolutely.
Even though in one aspect a person should be, quite strong, but Punjabis are no, and every aspect there are just.
We unfortunately, we the people, no, when we make comparison, no, so they are the best host on the surface of the earth, host, the best. Again, they won't beg, they are very hard working. And they are very honest. The moment, no, they sign some pact, some agreement, they go by it, no, they abide, no, by it, no, they do justice. For example, if two laborers are there, one is Pathan, other one is a non-Pathan, and you want to hire someone for the construction, for digging of, no, even we have some, you can say, the drainage system and so on, whatever that is. Now, which person you will now prefer to hire? Pathan. Because it's so great people, no? They have so many weaknesses because every human being has weaknesses. But their weaknesses, they're so minor. When we make comparison with them, we are so poor. Whatever they do, we do. Whatever they do, we do. The negative points, no? But whatever they are great at, we are not. This is the main difference, no? And he's quite right, no? And we should be so objective when we make comparisons. There should be no passion, no? ये मेरी अम्मी दी गल है. See, a boy fell in love with a girl. Clear? That girl, and we boast ourselves, that some lady is there and so on. That girl has a brother or not? She has, that her brother, her parents, And my question is, so if I have a sister, she has the same heart, what will happen? She will be having, some boyfriend as your girlfriend has a boyfriend, in the shape of you. So these things are natural, But what are we talking about? That the qualities which they have, they're quite different, See, thank you very much, gentlemen,
We, after meet the Pathans, we know they built over hunts without any order, and when anybody threat the Pathans, we packed his luggage and settled in other area.
Great. It happens. We the people are like that. Thank you, God. The last one. Putter, hurry up. You 5 minutes now, and as his presentation is over, I will assign you something very important. You should be ready for that. Just a minute, wait.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My topic is college life.
Very good.
College.
College life. Better just speak, in a very in a very relaxed mood with coolness and calmness. Take it easy, please.
College life is very interested. When we leave the school and we are going to join the college life, we feel very confused. We are thinking that how we face the college problems and college life. When we join the college life, we feel very relaxable.
Very good.
We face many problems. We live in groups we make groups with friends. We enjoy the college life. College arrange many functions for students. There are which welcome parties, concerts, color days, trips, and farewell parties. In trips, in trip we feel very happy, and in concerts the college called the singer, and we enjoy the college concerts function.
Excellent. Ideas are excellent, really. Okay.
And college life is a very free life. We are no pressure, and we have feel no teachers pressures.
Okay.
And some students are living in hostels, and they are no parents pressure, and they are very free enjoy the college life.
Still long way to go. 140, 1 minute 41 second, 42, 43, 44,
In,
45.
In college life, the students and the teacher relationship is increases.
Excellent.
The students,
Another idea. Beautiful.
the students' confidence are increases.
MashaAllah.
We get some knowledge, external knowledge.
Beautiful. Really, the ideas you call this is the best idea. Now, this is presentation number 5, but this is the best presentation as far as ideas are concerned. We're talking about. Please, better.
But some professors are
Okay.
some professors are appreciate a student
Okay.
in class, and they are living free with the students.
Very good. Even the sex discrimination, the ladies, the female students are there and the male students, Mr. Wasim is recalling, his memories in the University of Sargodha. Okay, but
Some
please.
colleges are co-education,
Okay,
and students are
okay,
feel very confused in
Okay.
co-education,
very good,
because they have no face in school life, college co-education.
very good. So there's a totally strange environment is there for both the sexes. Okay, please.
And in college life, the students
Very good, better, very good. Try.
there
It's you to complete.
there is no Islamic education in college,
Okay.
and
No, some
in a-
compulsory subject is there, I think, no?
in our class there are 44 students, and there is no Hafiz of Holy Quran.
Okay.
And,
That's what you.
There is our government, there is must to the Holy Quran education with college life.
Okay, that's your point of view. 3:42, 3 minutes 45 seconds. No, but you will have to complete. You will have to complete. College life. There's no knowledge without college. There's no knowledge without college. Thank you very much. Keep standing, please. Oh, come on. See the points which he raised, please, one by one. The points, please.
He raised that the college life is totally different from the school life.
Beautiful. The college life is different from that of the school life. Very good, but
And the
please.
students feel disturbed and
Okay.
inconfident
Okay.
while they
Initially, they feel very confused, and they are unable, to get adjusted.
and
Okay.
the relation between the teachers and the student
Again, that's also different,
also
Okay.
different, and but as you say, no life without and no knowledge.
No knowledge without college. Okay. Wasim.
I really enjoy his way of presentation, to talking his accent. It's good nature.
Absolutely
there,
right.
There is no anything artificial.
Hassan is always Hassan, Very good, Hassan.
Yes, sir.
beta.
He influenced many many.
Okay. He touched many points,
He
no,
touched
many areas.
many points. So because college life is like a bird who
Okay.
learn to fly.
Okay, beautiful. Beautiful.
Because college life is a very different by the life which we have spent in our past. It is totally new.
Very good.
It is totally different by. It is totally different by.
School life is dependent,
yes.
no, you depend
Uh,
on other, but over here you
yes,
become independent. Just as you gave beautiful example of
Yes,
a
sir.
bird, no,
I-
you start
uh,
flying.
Yeah.
Very good.
I comparison the previous life and college life is the best because college life learned many give the many chances to learn
Okay.
each and everything because college life is a very beautiful life because the age of a boy is a like growing tree
Okay.
because when we join the college life we consider we are mature and
Got it, got it. Very good. Yeah, the points which you got, which you understood, which you learned.
Mr. Hassan says that college life is environment is very freely. The professors spend lots of time
Okay.
with friendly
Okay.
to the student, and the major the Holy Quran.
Okay.
and
So when he made a comparison between the teachers and the professors. No, he says that at the college level, the professors, the teachers, no, they are more friendly.
Yes.
Clear? They're more cooperative. No, they're more loving and caring in a sense. No,
Yes.
that they don't shout at. No, they don't rebuke, etc. No. And the second thing which you were talking about,
Holy
the Quran is missing.
yes.
The Quran is missing in the colleges. No, this is his point of view. Akhil, beta, what could you get from this point?
He has lighted, some sort of desi college.
Very good,
like
very good,
degree college where
absolutely.
there is so much liberty is there.
Okay.
In private college, there are lots of instructions are there.
Discipline is there. Very
Students
good.
are still have to follow those. And in other words, he says that college life is more responsibility than liberty.
Absolutely.
Like that, a person, a student has to be more mature.
Mature,
to
very
take
good.
the things which are beneficial to him and leave those which are not. It's a
Right.
quite critical situation. Sometimes we can't understand which one is better and which is not.
Very
So it's a
good.
complexity as
Excellent.
well as acknowledgeable stage of
Very good. So Akhil really beautiful. No? Akhil says that Hassan was talking about some desi college, and college in some rural area. So even if we see the private colleges, even in the government colleges, no, public sector as well, so there's a discipline, no. Clear? But again, there are few points which it is very impressive, no, very impressive. The environment of the college, the difference between environment of the school and college is over, no. And again, he was talking about that at college level we see the student, they are more mature, they are more responsible, no. Thank you. No, assignment, very, very interesting. Your topic was invention, no, scientific inventions, no, their roles, their contributions, no, their advantages and disadvantages. This topic will be prepared by brother Akhil. Clear, Akhil? Prepare it. You have 23 hours. We will meet after 23 hours, and you will have to speak on it in detail. Again, 5 minutes. But tomorrow, my again way of presentation it will be different. No taking comments from you. Again, it will be with different style, inshallah. See, so his topic was, you will be having a new topic. You will be having a new topic, any of your own choice. Prepare it properly now. And Akhil's topics was teenage. Clear? What happens? What are the responsibilities of the parents? And if they ignore those responsibilities, what kinds of problem can occur or take place? And what happens and so on. So your topic was college life. You will be speaking on the college life, and your topic was journey. So you will speak on journey. Clear? No. Is it possible to repeat or revise or review or let me know? Akil, your topic?
My topic will be inventions of science.
Inventions of science. Akil will speak on inventions of science. Hassan, beta aap,
My topic is journey.
you will speak on the topic journey. 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 Clear? J. Danish.
College life.
The college life. You will speak on the topic college life. Wasim.
My topic is
Teenage. And your topic we don't know. It's you to prepare it. No. You have how many hours? 23, not 24. The moment we depart and we meet, so there is a gap of 23 hours. If you log out, then 24 घंटे बाद मिल सा.
Maybe 22 and a half.
22 and a half, maybe. I wish that you come earlier. I wish you come earlier, no? Or you come late. You may have to get late. No, I will take it positive, no? See, thank you very much. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا.
This Quran guides to what is most upright. And it gives good news to the believers who do good deeds, that they will have a great reward.